Hello everyone, it's me Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today we'll show you effective dodge burning process. So you may know the alternative way of dodge burning, but I'll show you today the effective dodge burning, and this one is easy to use. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first I'll make copy this layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J, and again two layers. So in a dodge burn, you know that highlight and shadow, these two portion is main thing of the dodge burning process. So another is the highlight for the H and other one shadow for the S. And you know, highlight is lights and shadow is for the darkness. So I'm turning off the S option, selecting the H and making it screen mode. And after that, right press, go to the blending options. From here you will find out a layer which is the like underlining layer. You can adjust the underlining portion over here. So one thing is that when you are working with the highlight, you have to move the black portion. So find out the highlight like this. After that, this slider can divide. Press the alter option button, it will divide and adjust the light or highlight with the face. Okay, fine, and hit the OK button. And after that you have to neutralize that things. How to do that? At first mask this one, go to the image and then apply image. So after that make it okay. So before and after you are getting like this. And now shadow portion, will turn on the shadow portion, shadow layer actually, and make it multiply. And I'm repeating again, screen, the brighten one will be screen mode and the dark one will be multiply mode. And after that again blending options, right press, and now work with the white portion and it will help you out to find out the shadow. Same process, press the alter option button and hold it and just click once in a slider and it will be the adjustment of the shadow. Then mask it, and after that go to the image options and apply image, and in this case make it invert. Okay, and hit OK. So shadow and highlight, you are getting the shadow over here, shadow prominent, and the highlight prominent in this portion. Now I'll make the group these two layers and giving db, D for dodge and B for burn, dodge and burn. And then again mask this group and then image again and apply image. In this case uncheck the invert option and hit OK. So you're getting the before the flat image, after you are getting the dodge and burn image. If you want to adjust the dodge and burn process or other steps, double click over here. So suppose I want to adjust the highlight, so I can adjust the highlight like this. And if I want to change the dark or shadow portion, I can adjust the shadow portion. So you have the assumption to adjust everything, but other process couldn't have this type of process to adjust. So this one is most effective way to giving the dodge burn in your photography. So after that what should you do? I'm selecting these two things, or making group and making it convert to smart object. And after making convert to smart object, go to the filter or camera filter. From here you can make preset or add preset from the steps. If you need, you can adjust the temperature, tint, and everything you can adjust from here. Suppose I want to adjust the highlight, add some texture in a face like that, adding or decreasing the vibrance minus, and adjust some saturation like this. From the HSL panel, hue, saturation, luminance, adjust the luminance and the saturation and from here the calibration, you can adjust the calibration and other steps. So you have that assumption to do that. Before and after, you can adjust those things. And okay, fine. And the shadow, I'll add some shadow a little bit. That's good. And hit OK. So let's see the main image, before image, flat image, and after you are getting like this. So if you need to adjust or add something, filter or other steps, you can do that. Dodge and burn, that process you can do like that effective way. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, I am Arif signing out today. Stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.